or Deadpool yet?
Yeah, I saw last night.
Did you saw it? You see it? Okay, don't say anything. Did you like it?
Yeah, the best part was the little.
Just stop it.
It's on the poster.
Oh.
What? The little dog.
The dog?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see there's a dog on the poster?
There's a dog on the poster when you walk in, like the movie theater.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Ah, I'm so itching to see it. I can't wait. I bet it's going to kill at the movie theaters this weekend. Your lawyer is here with you on Zoom, so you know you're not here alone. I asked you not to do one thing.
No, que no hacer una cosa.
What did I ask you not to do?
Manejar,
Drive?
no cerveza,
No,
no nada.
beer, nothing.
What did you do?
¿Y qué es lo que usted hizo?
Nada,
Nothing.
nothing. No he tenido problemas con la máquina de hora de la tormenta, de la máquina para checar.
Tuvo problemas.
Se fue la luz.
I had problems with the device during the storm.
The problem is that you consumed alcohol.
El problema es que usted consumió alcohol.
No, no he consumido.
No, I haven't consumed.
According to my report, you have, Mr. Frausto.
Hecho. No.
According to my report, on 7/14, you blew a 0.45 at 1956.
I think
3 minutes later, you blew a .053,
so, sí,
and then later on,
adelante.
you blew hot again.
Pero ahora por la máquina, de hecho no tenía luz en mi casa.
It's,
Es el problema.
on the device, the problem is I didn't have lights or electricity in the house.
You blew positive for alcohol. Your lights had nothing to do with it.
La máquina, o sea, no he tomado. Solo
I haven't drank.
me estaba fallando la máquina.
The machine has been failing.
He hecho las cosas bien de lo que él me dijo.
I've done things properly, like what you've told
Not
me.
according to this machine.
No de acuerdo a la máquina.
You know.
No se sabe.
Sí, pues yo desde la máquina, o sea, todo está bien, nomás la máquina no tenía por la tormenta. Yo le hablé al
I've
oficial,
been fine. The machine was having problems. I called the
le hablé
officer.
al oficial.
I spoke with the officer.
Ms. Broholm?
Yes, Your Honor. And I've explained it to him as well. I don't think it had anything to do like with the hurricane, because I've reviewed the report as well, Your Honor. I know what he's saying, and so,
Está diciendo,
and Your Honor, I've admonished him as well that he cannot be drinking at all, and that's one of the bond conditions.
He's consuming alcohol. That's all I know.
Based on that report, Judge, that's what I'm inclined to believe too, Judge.
Mr. Frausto, I'm gonna take you into custody. Goes with you.
And Your Honor, is there any way that you would consider maybe a zero tolerance or something where, he doesn't drink at all any farther
consideraría algo como cero tolerancia
instead of taking him into custody, Judge?
esto de hoy.
Perdón.
He's consuming alcohol when it's a direct order on a second DWI. He continues to consume alcohol. So he has a problem or he just doesn't care. No means no.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
That's it.
No, sí me importa.
Check your chat.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
Mi abogado.
Can I speak with my lawyer?
Garcia, you're charged with possession of marijuana. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do it for probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On July 19, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for running a red light. Officers observed the driver to be the defendant and observed a strong odor of marijuana. A probable cause search turned up 100 Ziploc bags, a scale, and a large bag containing 0.91 ounces of marijuana. A 100-count box of Ziploc bags, a scale, and the marijuana.
You said it, right? Didn't you have it on the thing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Mr. Garcia, I'm going to find that there's probable cause. Do you have a valid Texas driver license?
Yes, I do.
Can you run your license, please? I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to sling anymore. If I find that you do it, or if I find that you're consuming, I will put you in jail. You will not get more PR bonds. You understand, sir?
Sir.
No more. Got it. Do you have liability insurance in your name?
Yes.
I want proof. I'm not going to take your word for it. If you show me that you have liability insurance, then I will allow you to drive.
I'm not under my own insurance, but I'm under my dad's policy.
I want to see it. If you can show me that you have insurance that has your name on it with the policy with the car that you're driving, then I'll happily allow you to drive, but I'm not going to take your word for it. Do you understand? At this point, I'm going to order you not to drive until you show it to us.
Sure.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
What are you doing with life right now?
Just trying to support my family.
Did you graduate from high school?
No.
There's your first mistake, and we're going to start working on that now. I will give you a lawyer today. The first thing we're going to do is start working on getting your GED. So I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond to do that now. I'm going to give you 2 weeks, and I want to see what you've done to start getting on your GED classes. If you've not done anything, life's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Sure.
You can't be rolling around life without the minimum a high school diploma, dude.
No, I'm working.
Working what? Working on slinging. Mr. Garcia, I don't want to fight with you. The only thing I want to do is ensure that you have some kind of future. Because if you don't, this life really, really sucks without money. You can't live without money. You can't do anything without money. And at the minimum, if you don't have a high school diploma, you'll go nowhere. And at some point, if you continue to sling, it's going to catch up with you and you'll just end up in prison or 25 to life. I mean, look, you already have what? These two. Your record's not good, dude. Do you understand?
Sure.
One more thing I'm going to apprise you. 31 days from today, I will drug test you again. If I find that you're consuming any kind of dope, I'm going to put you in jail. If you stop smoking as of today, you should be fined 31, 32, 33 days. But if I test you again and you test positive for dope, I'm going to keep you with you.
Sure.
Do you understand?
Sure.
Okay. Do you mind giving him an application, please? I'm going to give you an application for an appointed lawyer. I'm going to get you the victorious sign and reset, and then we'll have you take your seat in the jury box. And another case, Mr. Carrillo. You now stand charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On July 19th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a burglary of a motor vehicle call. Officers were informed of multiple subjects attempting to break into a white Hummer in the parking lot. The officers began to walk towards where the vehicle was located and saw two individuals inside the Hummer and saw the defendant by the Hummer. The two subjects then got into a blue truck while the defendant attempted to get inside the truck. The defendant was screaming at the individuals in the truck to let him in. The vehicle fled the scene and the defendant was left behind on the scene.
Quite the crew.
A witness saw all three individuals in the Hummer and was able to describe the defendant's clothing and confirm the defendant was in fact inside the Hummer. The complaining witness stated upon checking his vehicle, he saw his back door window had been broken, his front passenger door keyhole was damaged, and his Colt 45 1911 firearm was missing from his holster. The complainant said nothing else was taken from his Hummer.
Can't believe it. In this day and age, people still leave their guns in their car. Okay.
That's it. Yes, Your Honor.
So do we have the co-defendants? Do we know? So you said there were a total of 4 co-defendants, right?
Well, with him, it's 3.
2 left.
2 of them.
Nice. Mr. Carrillo, I'm going to find probable cause to go forward with the case. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm sending you for a drug test right now. I want you to go down, take a drug test, and then I want you to come back. If you fail to come back to me, I'm going to set your bond at $30,000 to $50,000. Do you understand? You will not get any more PR bonds. I will deem you a public danger because this is your 5th to 6th case within the last, year and a half. Do you understand? All right, Tracy, if you can send him down, please. Take a seat with me. Mr. Carrillo, come up. How old are you, sir? How old are you? What do you do in life?
Also,
You do nothing. Did you graduate from high school?
no, sir.
Wow.
I don't do nothing. I do jobs, but it's just
I asked you what you do in life. You said nothing.
work. I try to work.
Okay, tell me what you do.
Side yard jobs. If it's new, like contracts, windows and stuff like that, I'll do it. But that's only in time, because they'll be like, we don't need you no more.
How do these jobs pop up to you?
The opportunities in my family as well. I see people that own their own business or doing work like that, and they offer me.
Okay. How much time does this occupy for you? Every day?
Well, since they're like contractors and stuff, and they get like different people, or people move on,
So you don't work every day?
not every day.
Okay, that changes today. 2 things we're going to start working on with you. The first thing that we're going to do is you're going to start working on getting your GED. You are 23 years old. You didn't graduate from high school. How far did you get?
I believe to 11th grade.
You got to the 8th grade and you dropped 11th grade. You're close. I'm going to give you a lawyer today, Mr. Carrillo. 3 things I want you to understand. I don't want you out in the middle of the night. I'm going to do everything in my power to straighten your butt out. Since 2022, you've picked up an evading with me, possession of a controlled substance, an evading arrest, an assault of a family member, and now you've picked up a burglary of motor vehicle. Thank the Lord, none of those are felonies, so that you've dug yourself a hole that you can't get out of. But I'm going to stay on you so much you're going to think it's a career. Do you understand? You fail me again, I will put you in jail and make your bond very, very high. No more dope. I will test you. 31 days from today, you tested positive for marijuana. I will test you 31 days from today. If you test positive, I will put you in jail and make your bond really, really high. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care where you're going, who you're hanging out with. You're not allowed to hang around with the 2 knuckleheads you were hanging around with when you caught this BMV. Do you understand? In my opinion, they left you at the scene for you to rot as it is. Those aren't good friends to you as it is. Wouldn't you think? If they're ready to throw you in the grease and just drop you to let you get caught, are those good friends to you?
Sure.
Right. They looking out for your well-being? I don't think so. But they're letting you fry. So you're not allowed to hang out with these two guys, whoever they may be. And I'm going to test you in 31 days. I will set your case 2 weeks from today. And I want you, starting today, to work on your GED. I want you to start going. Do you have a phone? Do you have access to the internet?
Yes, sir.
How?
Laptop.
You got a laptop at home. I want you to go home today and I want you to start Googling how to get your GED. And I want you to start working on it. And I want you to look into registering for classes. I'm going to bring you back here in 2 weeks and I want to see what you've done to start working on getting your GED and registering for classes. If you come back to me in 2 weeks and you have done nothing, life is not going to go well for you. If you have problems between now and the 2 weeks, come back to me or let the lawyer that we know that you're having problems. And the managed assigned counsel division of the public defender's office has services to help you with your search to get a GED. It is your responsibility to get in touch with the lawyer to figure out how to start working on getting your GED. But if you do nothing, guess what? Guess.
And the consequences.
Right. I'm done playing games with you. And I'm done and I'm trying to intervene before you graduate to felony status because you're going fast. You ever run from the cops again, you will be charged with a felony. You ever pick up another assault, you will be charged and looking at up to 10 years in prison. You are this close to graduating to felony status. The slightest move you make wrong, I'm telling you, you're going to be looking at felonies. And then you can put your head between your legs and kiss your butt. Guess. I'm trying to intervene before that happens. And I'm going to do everything in my power. But if you go out there and shoot a place up, there's nothing I can do at that point. But I will intervene as much as I can. No more dope. Otherwise, I'm going to lock you up. And you start working on your GED now. And you got to get, at the very minimum, a part-time job. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. That's what's happening. Do you understand me? You know what's expected of you. I'm asking 3 things from you. You fail me, you only have one place you're going to go. Do you mind reaching out to the Mac for Mr. Carrillo? Okay. Today's date is 7/26. I'm going to reset you 2 weeks from today so we can see what you've done to get your GED. But as it stands now, you will get another test, 1, 2, 3, 4, to give you the benefit of the doubt. I will give you a couple days past the 30 days because weed stays in your system 30 days. So give or take 2, 3 days, maybe 4 days, I will test you after that. If you test positive, that tells me that you've continued to smoke and I will revoke your bond and I will put you in jail. I've got about, at least 3, 4 other 17-year-olds that are sitting in custody in your same situation because they've continued to smoke. You hold the keys to the jail cell. Do you understand? Sure. Okay. All right. Head on over there. We'll get you started with the paperwork. Antoine Mobley.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mobley, you're charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you can either afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
Officers were dispatched to 2542 Spence Park in Spring. The call note stated that a man wearing all black was inside a vehicle. Witness ran after the defendant who ran away, and officers on the scene in a canine unit spotted the defendant, and the defendant was detained 26 yards away from the home where the vehicle was. The defendant stated it was his first time breaking and entering a vehicle. The defendant had possession of the complaining witness's credit cards and health insurance cards.
Did you take anything else? Damage to the car?
the credit cards and her health insurance cards.
What kind of priors? Do you see anything else?